Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have a 2009 up to 2013-14 Nissan Altima, Maxima, Infinity, all those cars. The computer of this car and sometime regarding the code P0101 mass air flow emitter sensor have an issue with sensibility. It's very sensitive. So that means the mass airflow emitter sensor, even if it's reading right, the processing unit inside the computer convert it or it read it like wrong, and it will flag the check. The remedy for that, Nissan have issue a technical service bulletin require the computer must be updated to the latest software. 95% of those cars, the problem is fixed. Yes, 95% of those problems, the problem was fixed. Now we are using Nissan Conscious 3 Plus. You can use Nissan Conscious 3 Plus, or you can use Nerve. There is a software that they call Nissan ECU programming software N. So that one may solve your problem if you have the software there. I use Conscious 3 Plus, need to be authenticated. Right now I'm just trying to get you the information. Need an authentication from the website, and it programs the car for you correctly, but you have to have a subscription on the Nissan. I'm using one of the Nissan interface that approved, this one here as you see. It's a good one, and this is, they call it Mitsubishi Renault Nissan software. Right now I'm trying to read the information to show you what code is the one that's concerning this problem. Conscious 3 Plus software is this is Panasonic CF19. Okay, I believe this is a code. You see here, P0101 mass airflow emitter sensor code. When you have this code, you have to go back. I'm gonna go back home, category, and then I will diagnose one problem. No, I already diagnosed the problem. I go back and I will go to reprogram and configuration. You must have internet on this function. Now you have to abide by the law. The condition that they give you, you have to read. And now this is Altima, and I believe 2011 or 2009, the same. Then click the arrow. Oh no, click select. Now it's gonna go here. Read the VIN number is already 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. AB, A for 2010, B 2011. So we're gonna wait a little bit and follow the step to see if the software is already there or available or need to be updated. This is the only way you have to go through to check. Now you have to confirm the VIN number is confirmed. Now what you need to program, you can choose any of those computer is available to program for you. Okay, let me answer one phone here, please. Okay, now here we are going to choose engine. We are going to choose engine, and then in the engine computer, you see after replacement and programming, why there is nothing. Let me go back. Maybe I did something wrong. Let me go back here. Yeah, this is how it is. And then I'm gonna create engine control module, not a transmission. Hopefully I choose something wrong. You see, maybe I choose something wrong before. Now I gotta go to programming. It give me some information here, and this is LD sedan, as you notice here. And this is what you're looking for. I would say save. This is the information I'm looking for. So I'm gonna save it, read before the programming, and be sure that everything is off, because now it's going to take you to the internet to approve the requirement. Okay, click yes, and we have an update. You see, there's an update available. This is now, and after that it will change to that one. Click next, click next. Look here, everything must be green. For example, if I put the headlight on, it's gonna turn red somewhere. They don't need load, so I'm gonna turn the headlight off. Okay, now I'm gonna start the programming. It will ask me some kind of configuration. You just have to wait, contact with the control unit, and then it will ask you to, it will connect the car to the internet. Be sure that you have internet connected to the car. Ignition have to be on. You see now, transfer. Now checking the network. You have to be sure you have internet. If you don't have no internet, it's not gonna work. Yeah, see now the connection, internet connection. Okay. Now checking the internet, and now you have to write down and be sure that, okay. No. I don't want to go like this way here. I'm gonna go, okay. Enter manually, internet connection. Maybe I don't have internet. Okay, home first. He said 10 minutes. He asked me internet, and I say home. That's a question here. Do I have internet? Let me see. Nissan. Tech info. We don't have internet. That's a problem. So please wait. I'm gonna put internet and then we come back. Internet is okay. Internet is okay. Let me see if I can get Nissan. Hopefully this computer is not messed up, because if you don't have internet, you are in trouble. So I'm gonna go back. Okay, programming. Hopefully everything will be okay, and then I will read all this instruction, turn this one off, and say next. You know, like Nissan, if you don't do attention. Okay, Altima sedan 2011, select. Okay, it's shut down. Sangat. I need this one to be like this one's supposed to become gray. Yes, supposed to be gray here. Why does it want to be gray? I don't know. So let me close this. Close all this. Take this one out. Be sure internet is, disconnect this. Okay, now I'm gonna go again. Computer tried to program, and he noticed something wrong. That means if you are going to do a programming with this console 3 plus, be sure that you have a problem, you have no problem with internet. Program configuration. Okay, I'm gonna go okay, confirm. Next. Don't do it. Altima Sedan 2011. Wait a little bit here. Yes, gray. That's the VIN number. I see it. So that means communication is not bad. Please, I do this one complete with error and judgment. We don't want to go crazy on programming those computers. You have a Nissan console 3 plus, you have to be sure that it's gonna require internet access. Hopefully I'm able to communicate. If not, that means everything is messed up. I have to get another computer, but I'm able to read the VIN number. That means communication is okay. Programming, save, go to the next. Click OK. Next, start. Here where the fan can kick on again, and he's looking for authentication. You see, because I have internet, is go to the authentication directly. If you don't have no internet, it will give you a hard time. So just wait a little bit. I'm gonna put my username. I'm gonna right click and paste. Hold on. I right click on the login, and I'm supposed to go authentication. Supposed to be okay. If you are not sure, try to. You see, now I am inside the programming. We go back again to the place where there is no internet and keeping asking us some kind of question that it may not help. Right now we are transferring the software 90%. When I say 10 minutes, you see the fan kick, that means it's empty. 100%. Now we're gonna transfer from the top one to the bottom 10%, and it will go to 80 and stay there. Please, I tell everybody that if you are dealing with the console 3 plus, maybe the older ones, it doesn't require all this, but the new one, you see how it's working there. Try always, and after that you finish, you upgrade the computer to the latest software. For that code P0101, try to do the throttle body relearn, and also be sure that everything is okay. I'm gonna leave this one now here. We're waiting for it to become ready, and that I will turn everything out. Be sure you see the charging system is on 13.4 voltage. This is console 3 plus with a service, software service, or CSP 47.10. If the software is not loaded into the computer, you can go and buy the software that you don't have it and do the programming. And this applies to all Nissans. This is 40%. %50 now. Sometimes it just go. It never take the 10 minutes, and it will just shut off. And I would like also to say thank you for all the people who are following my programming and diagnostic and troubleshooting. Nobody's perfect, but I do my best. I do my best to give you the information that I have. Together we go, and guess what? From you, I learn more than what I know. I really appreciate and I say thank you. And this is the truth. I am dealing with thousands of people that genius and smart. They all have their output and input. And most of them helping me with the prayers and thank you. And so the center here is benefiting more than you. So please subscribe, share, and like, and let everybody know whether you are in Africa or in Australia. I know Australia in 2 hours, right now it's 6 o'clock. In another 2 hours from now, it's going to be 9 o'clock there. They are 13 hours ahead of United States of America. And maybe by the time people in California or Los Angeles wake up, they will be like midday, because they are 3 hours ahead or 4 hours before us. Please subscribe, share, and like. And this is a technology. Let me see what happened here. It's just finished. So I'm gonna click next. And it will take you through, look here, 13 out of 13. It will take you through, turn the ignition on and off, read the throttle body. So we're gonna wait a little bit here. And everything is there almost. Till now we have 60 minutes. It's supposed to be less than 60 minutes. Now I'm gonna turn the key off. 10 seconds, turn the key off 10 seconds. So the key is off for 10 seconds. And see, that one is blinking. Software is downloading, coming down. Now turn off or turn on ignition 2 times. Now click next. Now you have to start the car and do the throttle relearn. I'm gonna do the throttle relearn. It's supposed to be okay. I'm gonna start, and now you're gonna see that thing will go down soon. You see, just look at it. It's not bad. And here say execute. You see, it was working, and here it say complete. So what we're gonna do next? Go click next. Now I'm gonna turn the key off for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open the ignition for 2 seconds. Turn it off for 10 seconds. On for 2 seconds. Off for 10 seconds. 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. On for 2 seconds. Then off. Now start the car. Okay. Erasing all the DTC. Switch ignition off. Then on. It will erase all the DTC. After the DTC is completely erased, we will go back to okay, here is the result. And I will confirm. I will go back home, start the car. Everything is good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. And always try to be sure that your internet is okay if you are dealing with the original tools, so that you're not gonna get surprised by no internet for verification of the tools. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, Brooklyn, New York, United States of America.